Can you imagine sleeping and healing your body, rewiring your mind, and waking up more alive than ever? This is Yoga Nidra, the ancient art of conscious sleep. You're not dreaming. You're not awake. You're in the zone where real transformation begins. Science says 45 minutes of Yoga Nidra equals 3 hours of deep sleep. That's not rest, that's regeneration. And it's not just yogis. From Himalayan monks to pro athletes, top performers use Yoga Nidra to recharge, refocus, and reset their minds. While your body melts into stillness, your subconscious wakes up. Stress, released. Anxiety, dissolved. Confidence, downloaded. Elevate your yoga journey with Yogli AI, your next-gen AI-powered yoga coach. Get real-time pose tracking and smart corrections that help you practice with precision.